Hey everyone, my name is Rihanna and welcome to my channel. I'll be using this Freetress braid hair. The color is T27/613. It's pre-stretched and 56 inches long, and I purchased 2 packs from my local hair store. I'll also be using Shine and Jam, Curl and Hold Custard, a comb, scrunchie, hair clips, and a pair of scissors. So, before I start braiding my hair, I apply this amount of Shine and Jam to my roots, and this amount of Curl and Hold Custard throughout the rest of my hair, and I just work it in. Since I'm doing small braids, this is about the amount of hair I use for each individual braid. Then I split the section of hair into 2 pretty even pieces, and I overlap and connect them like so. I'm not really sure how to describe this part, so just watch my finger movements. Then I split my real hair into 2 sections and attach it to 2 pieces of the braiding hair like so. And if this explanation isn't helping you, I have a more in-depth box braid tutorial in the description. Then I just braid the hair all the way down like normal, and I put more Shine and Jam on my real hair as I braid to smoothen my hair out and make it less frizzy. Once I'm finished with the braid, I take my scissors and cut off any flyaways or pieces of hair that are sticking out of the braid. I don't always do this though. And at the end of day 1, I was still on my first pack of hair, and this is how much I had left in the pack. So I would have finished braiding my hair on day 2, but unfortunately I ran out of braiding hair and I only had about 6 braids left to do. I just ended up going back to the hair store and buying more hair, but usually just 2 packs is enough. Once I finally finished my braids, I dipped them in hot water. Then I applied this Wig and Weave Flyaway and Wrap Mousse all over my hair. Lastly, I use this edge booster to slick back my edges. Then I tied my hair down with a scarf. So guys, this is the final look, and I was hesitant to try this color because it was very light and I thought the 613 colored ends wouldn't look right on my skin tone. But my boyfriend convinced me to try this hair, and I'm glad he did because I think it's really cute. It kind of looks like an ombre effect of black to brown to blonde hair. But it took me about 18 hours to do this style. And this is just a close-up of my braids and of the parts I did. Parting my hair takes me so long because I try to get them neat and straight. But let me know what you guys thought of these braids on me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.